Are you looking for the perfect side dish that effortlessly complements any meal? This easy rice pilaf is your answer. Its subtle yet flavorful taste pairs beautifully with beef, chicken, or seafood, enhancing your main course without overpowering it. So, let's get cooking. First things first, in your pot on medium-high heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Time for our aromatics. Take 1 Spanish onion and chop up roughly 1 cup. Saute the onion for about 3 minutes or until it becomes translucent. Next up, we'll finally chop about a cup of carrots. These are going to add a lovely, subtle sweetness to our rice. And add that into the pot. Next, for a hint of peppery flavor, we're going to finely chop about a cup of red bell pepper. Let the carrots and peppers cook for about 2 minutes or until they are slightly tender. For seasoning, we're using Old Bay, but Cajun or Creole seasoning would also be fantastic options. Now, let's toss in 2 cups of pre-washed long grain rice. We're going to stir this around for about a minute, just to get it nicely toasted. Next, pour in about 3 cups of chicken broth. Give it a quick stir, then slowly bring it to a simmer. To round out our seasonings, we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil and 2 bay leaves. They'll bring a wonderful gentle floral essence to our rice. For a touch of tropical sweetness, you can optionally add 1 tablespoon of coconut cream here. For a bright, refreshing finish, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it another quick stir to combine everything. Now, cover your pot, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Once the liquid has absorbed, take off the cover and fluff the rice with a fork. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and ground pepper as needed. And the very last step, grab some fresh parsley, give it a good chop, and then sprinkle it over the top for a burst of freshness. And just like that, you got a quick, easy, and absolutely delicious rice dish that's the perfect complement to any meal. We really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.